Are you searching for buy Snapchat accounts? Before using or purchasing any Snapchat account, it's important to understand account security, privacy, access, and responsible usage. Always check how the account is managed. Make sure you have secure login access and protect your password and recovery information. Never share sensitive account details with untrusted sources. If you're looking for Snapchat accounts for social media, activities, or online business, be careful with unrealistic offers, fake verification claims, and services that encourage spam, scams, or policy violations. Account safety should always come first. At InCyberIt, we share useful information about social media, digital marketing, online business, technology, and account security. So before you buy Snapchat accounts, research carefully, prioritize security, and choose responsible account management. Follow InCyberIt for more social media and digital marketing tips. InCyberIt, smart, secure, and responsible digital solutions.